DETECT is unique because what it says is that if you just do echocardiogram, you miss 29% of people who had subsequent pulmonary arterial hypertension on right heart cath. Whereas if you apply DETECT algorithm, you only miss 4% of the people. Why do we care? Because PAH is a leading cause of mortality. It has high prevalence. It has a median survival of 2 to 3 years. So all these that have a real impact on the patient. So you don't want to miss these patients who are very important. The DETECT study is the largest evidence-based study that has been done so far in patients with scleroderma and scleroderma spectrum disorders. What's unique about the study is that the number of patients that were not missed on right heart catheterization. One of the unique aspects of the study is that every patient had an echocardiogram, a lung function test, blood test, and clinical examination, and also a right heart catheterization. This is the first study ever to show the false negativity and the true negativity of an echocardiogram. In other words, what it means is, this is the first study that we know that how many cases of PAH are missed by echocardiogram alone. That has not been shown previously in a systematic manner.
And how many are being missed?
Well, if you look at the DETECT study, if you look at a TR jet, which is a tricuspid regurgitation, and you take a jet of 2.8 meter per second, almost 36% of the patients who had pulmonary arterial hypertension on right heart cath were missed if you just based your decision on the DETECT transthoracic echocardiogram.
And then when you combine the protocol into the clinical characteristic screening and the imaging, what's your detection rate?
The detection rate, you detect 96% of the patients. And if you just look at echocardiogram overall, I just gave you an example of 2.8 meter per second, but you just follow the European Society of Cardiology recommendations, you miss 29% of patients. If you apply the DETECT algorithm, you capture those 25% of the patients. You still miss 4%, but it's an important encatchment because of the high mortality, the aggressive disease, and the availability of the FDA and the European medical agencies approved medications at this time.